Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be doing a new art, that is worldly art on newspaper. You can see the materials required on this sheet. Now to start our today's art, we'll need newspaper. So here what we'll need 10 sheets of newspaper, and we have to stick them one over the another. Then we will color it, and after that we will make our human figures. So first I'll open my newspaper. Now I will cut it into halves. I'll fold a newspaper using a scissor. I'll cut it. So you can make of any size of your own choice. So today I'll be making a slightly bigger than A4 size. So firstly I'll cut it into half in this size, you all can see. So after cutting like this, I will cut all the newspapers. Here you can see I have cut all my newspapers. I have about 10 sheets of newspaper right now of this size. Now using glue we will stick all the newspaper sheets together. So if you want to make an A4 size, you can first stick all of them together, then you can cut it. Or if you want to make bigger, you can also make it big. You can leave cutting the newspaper. So at first I will separate one sheet of newspaper. I'll open up my glue bottle. For this I'm using Fevicol white glue. You can also use any other glue, but please don't use any kind of yellow glue or any synthetic glue. Here I'll be applying Fevicol all over the newspaper. You don't need to apply too much of glue, otherwise your newspaper will get soggy. So after applying, I'll mix it with my fingers, as you can see in the video here. So you need to slightly mix it with your fingers so that the glue spreads everywhere. Even if it's not fully covered, it is okay. You can just take another sheet of newspaper after doing this, and you can stick it. So here I have mixed all the glue, and what basically we are doing is we have to stick all the newspaper sheets one over the another. Now I'll take another newspaper sheet and I will gently put it over the first one, and I will press it slightly with my hands. So now you can see both of them have stick together perfectly. Now in the same process you have to do with all the 10 sheets. So here I have completed sticking all my newspapers. Now using a scissor, what I'll do is I'll cut the edges of the newspaper because they are uneven, so I have to make it straight. You can also use a scale to do this. You have to cut it straight. Now in this part only you can cut it as you wish. Now after cutting the edges, I will take my colors. I have used acrylic colors here. You can also use fabric colors or poster colors or watercolor for this. So for this I'll be using a bright yellow color and red color. So I'll take out my yellow color and red color. You can also give any other color combination like blue, sky blue, green. For this purpose it is as you wish. Now I'll take my color palette. Don't mind looking at the palette, it's so dirty. You can also use any other simple plate, thermocol plate. And here I've taken out some water in my container for painting it. Now which brushes I'll be using are I'll be using a thick brush like a 8 number brush. You can also use 10 number brush or any kind of flat brush for this purpose. Here I am using an 8 number brush. So what basically we need to do is, first we need to dip our brush in water and we have to fill the whole newspaper sheet with it. Okay, and so you have to make the newspaper sheet wet. Now one thing to remember here is that don't use too much of water, use less water and make sure the newspaper is all wet. So here I have completed the making the newspaper wet. Now I'll take out my yellow acrylic color. I'm using bright yellow for this. I'll take a large amount on my color palette because we want to cover the whole newspaper sheet with this yellow only. So actually we'll be using a base color that is yellow. Now I will add some water to make a watery paste of this yellow color, otherwise we will require a large amount of yellow. So here I have made a watery paste. Now dipping my brush in water continuously, I will paint the whole newspaper sheet in this yellow color. One thing that you should remember here is don't make the color too thick, otherwise the text of the newspaper won't be visible. What we need to do is we need to let the text of the newspaper be visible so that our art looks good. So don't rub your brush continuously over the same part, otherwise your newspaper will tear. So slightly rub your brush over one part, then again take the color and again do it. So here I have completed giving the base color. Now I'll start with the red color. So I'll take some amount of red and again I will add some water to it and make a watery paste here. Now we'll start giving the red from the base of the newspaper. In an upward motion, try to merge both the yellow and the red colors. Make sure not to let the yellow color dry. Do this process fastly and rub the red color with the yellow color. Try to merge both the colors together and give a shaded effect. So you can see how I am doing it using the red color and a brush. Use more water if needed. Use water and water. So here I have completed giving the shading effect on my newspaper sheet. Now what we'll do is we will start drawing over it. You need to let it dry fully before using a pencil over it. Now using a pencil I will draw the human figures on the newspaper and a coconut tree and a sun. So you can see I have completed the drawing part. I have drawn it very lightly with the pencil. Now we will color this with black color because it is a worldly art, so we are going to do it with the black color. So for this you don't actually need your color palette because we will directly be applying the black color here. So I'll take out the black color, and for this purpose what we will use is we will use a thinner brush than the first one, like a 6 number brush. So I'll be using here 6 number brush. Firstly I'll take out my black color. So one thing to remember here is we don't need to make a watery paste out of the black color. We need to use the black color in a concentrated form. And before applying the black color, make sure that your newspaper is totally dried. I have dried my newspaper with a hair dryer. You can also do it like that, or you can put it under the sun. So now I'll start coloring the human figures and a coconut tree with the black color. I have taken out a 6 number of brush. Now I'll slightly dip my brush in water. We don't need to use too much of water, otherwise your black color will look dull. So I'll open my black color acrylic colors, and here I have dipped my brush once in water only. You can see you don't need too much of water here. Now let's start coloring our human figures. So after taking a little bit of water over my brush, I will dip it in the black color and directly I will use it over my newspaper. can see I've completed coloring the black color, and now I'll be making the border. So using a scale, I will put it over the edges of the newspaper, and using the black color I will make a border for this art. You have to make this border on all the four sides. So at first I will make a line using the scale, then I will fill the border with black color, as you can see in the video here. For making the hands of the human figures, I have used a thinner brush, like a 2 or 0 number brush, and I have colored everything here in black. So I'll not be showing you how to make the border on all the four sides, because I know that you all can do it yourself. Now let's go on to make the jewelry. So for the jewelry, I've taken out my white acrylic color here, and for this I'll be using a very thin brush, like a 0 number brush. Now without dipping it in water, now I'll start making the jewelry. You can make jewelry of any choice. I'm making a necklace. You can also add some jewelry over her bun, over her dress. You can add some more designs. It is as your wish. Now here it is not really important to make only 2 figures like I have made. You can also add some more butterflies, some birds, and anything of your own choice. So here I have shown you how to make the jewelry once. Now I'll show you my completed picture. Actually, basically I was showing you how to do it, and I know that you all can do it yourselves. So I'm not showing how to do more jewelry, because you can add your own creativity. So now my drawing is basically the main part. Everything is complete here. Only I have to add the border at the 3 sides and more jewelries. So come on guys, let's see the completed picture now.